Hey guys. I thought I'd jump into World of Warcraft for just maybe 20 minutes or so. I know what my Alienware is like at the moment. But, I haven't even jumped into World of Warcraft for years, and I find out that there's 6 new races. Along with, what is it? I haven't gotten Battle of Azeroth yet, which I need to get. I need to get, was it the other... was it the Shadowlands or something that's come out? Yeah, Shadowlands, which I need to order. Trying to find where. Okay, so Battle of Azeroth I already have. Okay, that's fine. That's completely fine. I don't have the Shadowlands. I don't have World of Warcraft Classic. Even though, yes, I know that you need a subscription to actually access that and such, which I am looking at. But to actually find this new race, and I do mean new race, because, well, let's just flip the camera. Sell to the Volpair. Activision Blizzard is now catering to the furry community. Hello, little desert fennec fox. So that there's the male. That's the female. And this is my character. And yes, I'm in the public test rounds. So, straight up, he's got survivalist hunting spear. I don't know how that's going to work. Actually, I don't know. I'm just tripping out here because I haven't played World of Warcraft in years. Sorry about the video being crooked. I am on my iPod Touch. Try and get the camera to... It ain't gonna work. iPod's old. The iPod Touch I have is a Gen 6. Which was basically, what, 3-4 years ago or something? I'm not entirely sure. Actually, I can look it up. Power supply. Gotta keep an eye on the power supply. So... also there's, what is it? Animal Crossing New Horizons gets an update, which is out, so I'll have to update that. And yeah, sorry if the colours whiten out. The top of my head, I do have male pattern baldness. So the 6th generation. Sixth gen came out 5 years ago. That's all this isn't yet. It is still holding strong. So, I think that's about everything I need to cover. Though these guys do actually, hang on. I'm just gonna log out. Create new character. I'm just gonna show you guys this very, very quickly. Okay, so actually there's more than, yeah, we got, seems to be on the Alliance, the Void Elf, the Lightforged Draenei, which is a new name for the Draenei, the Dark Iron Dwarf, so male, female, Void Elf. Why does the Void Elf look like the, I don't know, the Blood Elf? Maybe because they are. We got the Kaltarian, we got the Mechadome, which is, I think, the cousin or of the gnomes. We got Nightborn, High Mountain Tauren. So, yeah. So 2, 4, we got 10 new races, though 5 on each, so my bad on that. I'm just over the fact that there's actually this. So they can be Warrior, Hunter, I love the snake, Mage, Rogue, that looks pretty dope, a Priest, Warlock, they can't be a Paladin or Druid, Shaman, Monk, they can't be a Demon Hunter, but they can be a Death Knight. Then we got the Zarni Troll, again can't be Demon Hunter or Warlock, but they can be a Druid, a Paladin, and then a Druid, Mage. These guys, yeah, virtually whatever's black out down here, they can't be. Same with the High Mountain Tauren. Same with the Nightborn. They can't be any of these 4 classes. But seriously, these guys, I mean, we got Pandarian. We can virtually pick Pandarian as Horde or Alliance. But seriously, to see a fox, an actual fox character, and mind you, there is no starting village for these guys. I'm surprised, Blizzard. I'm surprised, Activision Blizzard. You surprised me. I mean, we got what? Horde's got 4 anthropomorphic classes, while Alliance only has the 1. I mean, come on. Make these guys pick and choose. Let them have their own little village. Cunning and resourceful, the Vampire have a knack for thriving in the harshest conditions. Yeah, that makes them easily acceptable for see, I can go, yeah, okay, we'll go that. We'll go, you know what? Let's just go Warlock. No, is it Warlock or Mage? Now let's go Hunter. Let's customize the little dude. Shall we? I mean, Forest, Plains, Desert. And just remove this up here. I mean, come on. This actually looks nice. Okay, let's go with Plains. Let's randomize this. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. My blind character. Those eyes. One blind. One eye. Go with those. Earrings. Ooh, talent specification. Beast Mastery, which is actually recommended. Finish. I've actually started one at level 10, so they actually do start at Orkney, not their own village, which kind of actually sucks. I was actually hoping for them to start their own village. Like, have their own camp and such. Kind of shame. Blizzard, Activision Blizzard, I mean, come on, you give us a new character. Where's their village? Like, is it different? Is it... So I'm going to play around with this. I'll catch you guys later.